Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I am your Momita ma'am and I am here to take your EVS class. Children, take out your EVS book. Today I will be giving you your unit test syllabus. Just listen carefully. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 1 Our Body, Chapter 2 My Family, and Chapter 4 Food for Health. These three chapters will be there for your unit test. Okay, Chapter 1, Chapter 2 and Chapter 4. These three chapters are there for your unit test. You have to practice these three chapters. Okay children, today I will be revising with you Chapter 1, Our Body. Today I will be revising our body. Our body made of many parts. Each part is different and performs different functions. We can speak, hear, eat, run, write, walk, smell and do many such activities with the help of these body parts. Some important parts of our body shown in this picture below. You all know all these body parts. Eye, tooth, tongue, neck, elbow, arm, hip, foot, toe, hair, ear, nose, mouth, shoulder, finger, hand, chest, knee, leg, ankle. These are the body parts. These parts are called our external organs as they can be seen outside the body. 5 of these parts are called sense organs. Within these body parts, 5 parts there that are called sense organ. What is sense organ, children? Sense organs help us to learn about our surroundings. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We can see many things with the help of our eyes. Nose helps us to smell and breathe. Ear helps us to hear different sounds. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our skin helps us to feel if something is hot, cold or smooth or rough. Other organs also have special work to do. Our leg help us to walk, run, skip and jump. Our hand help us to pick things, hold them and even write. We push things or catch a small ball with our hands. So there are also different activities of different body parts. We eat food with our mouth. Teeth inside our mouth help us to chew the food. Some parts of our body are in pairs. Can you name them? Some parts of the body can be felt under your skin. They are very hard to touch. They are called bones. The body part that is under our skin is very hard to touch. That called bones. Have you ever felt your bones? They are found all over our body and are present under the skin. This bone gives shape to our body. All parts make the body work like a machine. We must keep our body clean and healthy. We must follow some rules for this. We should keep our body clean. It is important to bath daily and brush our teeth after meals. We should keep our nails trimmed. We should oil our hair and comb it daily. We must also breathe fresh air and exercise daily. We should drink clean water and eat healthy food. Our body needs rest too. It is important to take sound sleep daily. So, these are the things we have to maintain to keep our body healthy and fit. So, what is the main things are there in this chapter? Our body is made up of many parts. We have 5 sense organs. All parts of the body work like a machine. Bones give shapes to our body. We must breathe fresh air and exercise daily. Name any 4 external organs. You all know, children. Name some activities that we do using our legs. We can jump, we can walk. All these activities we do with the help of our legs. What are sense organs? Sense organs. What are sense organs? Just now we have learned. Sense organs help us to learn about our surroundings. So we have 5. How many sense organs we have? Name them. We have 5 sense organs. Name them just like ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. What are bones and where they are found? What are bones? Some parts of the body can be felt under your skin. They are very hard to touch. They are called bones. Okay, and where they found? They found under our skin. Mention any 2 ways by which we can take care of our body. Like you have to brush twice after every meal. You have to brush, or you have to take bath daily. You should comb your hair and oil your hair. You should trim your nails. You should breathe fresh air. These are the things we can do to how this way we can take care of our body. Name the organ that does the work given below. It helps us to smell. Which organ, children? Nose. It helps us to taste. Tongue. It helps us to feel hot or cold objects. Skin. It gives shapes to our body. Bones. It helps us to throw or catch things. Hands. Here are some things. Cross out the odd ones. You have some options are given. You have to cross out the odd ones. We have revised all these things before only. Okay, so chapter 1 I have revised with you today. Just go through the chapter. If you have any queries, any doubt, you have to ask. You can ask. So once again I am repeating your unit test syllabus, children. Chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 4. Chapter 1, our body. Chapter 2, my family. And chapter 4, food for health. Okay, so these are the 3 chapters you have to prepare for your unit test. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye bye.